Coloring coloriendo.
Hey there, little artist. Can you guess what today's drawing is? Let me give you a few hints. It's something that goes choo-choo, rides on long tracks, and carries people and things from one place to another. Sometimes it's super fast like a bullet, and other times it's slow and steady carrying heavy loads. Did you guess it? That's right, it's a train. Today, we're going to bring a train to life with your amazing colors and imagination. When drawing a train, you can think about all the fun details it might have. You might include a strong engine at the front, some long cars behind it, big round wheels, and even some smoke puffing out if it's an old-fashioned steam train. And the best part? You don't have to stick to just grey or black. Your train can be any color you want. Maybe a rainbow train, a golden train, or even one with stripes and spots. Your imagination is the ticket to anywhere. Here's a fun fact. Did you know the very first trains were pulled by horses before engines were invented? Later, steam trains changed the world by making travel much faster. And today, there are super fast trains called bullet trains in Japan that can go over 300 kilometers per hour. That's faster than some airplanes when they take off. Imagine coloring your train as a rocket-speed bullet train zooming across the page. As you add colors, think about the background too. Maybe your train is climbing through snowy mountains, or rushing past green fields, or even riding across a desert. You could even add passengers waving out the windows, animals watching from the side of the tracks, or cargo boxes piled high. Your drawing can tell a whole story. If you like the video and want to see more videos like this, share and subscribe. That way, you won't miss any of the fun adventures we create together. Here's another fun fact. The longest train ever recorded was in Australia, and it stretched for almost 7 kilometers long. That's like a train longer than 60 football fields put together. Can you imagine drawing a train that long? You'd need a lot of crayons. And in India, there are trains that can carry more than 1,000 people at once, almost like a moving city on wheels.
Red.
Now, little artists, let's make this extra interactive. Pause for a second and think. What sound will your train make? Will it be a cheerful choo-choo? Or maybe a funny beep-beep like a car? You could even pretend your train talks and give it a name. What would you name your train? Maybe Color Express or Rainbow Rider. And did you know trains aren't just for people? There are trains that carry food, oil, coal, and even cars. Some trains have as many as 300 cars attached to them.
Like pink.
Imagine coloring each one in a different color, so your train looks like a rolling rainbow snake across the tracks. As you finish coloring, remember there's no wrong way to do it. Trains in real life might be red, blue, green, or grey, but yours can glow in neon colors, shine like glitter, or even have patterns like polka dots and zigzags. Art is all about making it your own. Before we say goodbye,
Yellow.
let's try something fun. Hold up your drawing and make the train sound you chose earlier. Can you make it louder? Now softer? Imagine your colored train coming to life right off the page and riding around your room. Thank you for joining me today, little artists. If you liked coloring this train with me, come back again and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next videos. We'll have so many more adventures to color together. Until next time, keep your crayons ready, keep your imagination rolling, and I'll see you again soon for another fun drawing journey.
Coloring coloriendo.